On this type of helmet, all 3 models of the new Interphone range can be installed. Let's see how. If possible, remove the 2 cheek pads or cushioning. Find the area inside the helmet where your ears rest. Place the adhesive Velcro near the strap to install the speakers. Or, if present, in the recesses especially prepared for earphones. Position the loudspeakers like this. Place the cables underneath the lining. For your helmet mode, use this microphone. Connect the jack. Ensure that mic label is facing towards the mouth. Choose the most appropriate stock for your helmet model from those supplied. Remove the film and apply the stock to the helmet. Insert the base unit onto the stock and connect your device.